Separation forces sale. The owners are going their separate ways, meaning that this perfectly positioned and versatile home, perfect for the young family, must be sold. This spectacular property's features include 4 spacious bedrooms, with a master having an ensuite and walk-in robes, 2 separate and open living areas with an alfresco entertaining area off the living dining room, modern kitchen, landscaped, fully fenced yard with enough room for a pool, enough room for both cars in the double lock-up garage. Neat and tidy and ready to move into, and ideally located within walking distance from Pacific Pines State School and Pacific Pines State High School, makes this home a must-see. The owners are motivated to sell, so don't delay. Call Pascal on 0414 758 753 to book your inspection today.